Hi, we are going to see the next scenario in image to diagnosis fetal medicine. This case involves fetal spine. Now, this is a fetus at 22 weeks of gestation. Longitudinal scan of the fetal lumbosacral spine is shown in this image. So, what is the abnormality seen here? And where all what all conditions you see this abnormality. If you want to go through the workup of this image, please go to sonoshare.in and go to category image to diagnosis fetal medicine and click on the scenario fetal spine 1. Thank you.